came with swords and banners high. They rode into our land, but we were born on Irish soil. We'll make our final stand. With whiskey, wit, and rebel hearts, we'll fight until we fall. For no king sits upon our throne, no chain shall hold us all. No king for me, no crown to wear, no lord shall tell me when or where. Raise your glass and stand up tall, for we are free and we'll never crawl. They offered gold, they offered peace, if we would bow and kneel. But freedom's price